Good everyone, it is your favorite tutor, and today is your favorite tutor on mathematics. Okay, what I have on the board today is angles of elevation and depression. Talking about angle of elevation, we are talking about an angle. How will I put this thing now? That is elevating, going up, while depressing, coming down. In the sense that the angle of elevation is from the horizontal upward towards an object, while angle of depression from the horizontal, which is upward, then coming downward towards an object. All right, something like this. Okay, there's these two lines, they are perpendicular to each other. So you have the 90-degree angle right here. And then, yeah. So this is the angle. This angle from right here is angle of what? Elevation. Elevation. From the what? Horizontal upward towards an object. Why? There's another one from right here. So this is what? Angle of what? Depression. Depression. From the horizontal right here, downward towards an object. Okay. In most cases, these two angles, if you look at them, they are what? Alternate angles. In the sense that they are equal. They are equal. All right, they are much alike. It's just that one is in ascending while one is descending. Okay, let's solve. Okay, I have a question on the board. All right, look at this question. It says, a ladder of length 6 meters rests rests with his foot on a horizontal ground and lean against a vertical wall. The inclination of the ladder to the horizontal is 80 degrees. Find correct to one decimal place. Okay, first of all, let us illustrate what we have here, this concept. Let us illustrate the concept right here using diagram. Okay, assume that this is the wall. The wall. And the ladder lean on the wall. The wall. This ladder, let's assume this is the ladder lean on the wall. Okay, make this line straight. Lean on the wall, onwards from horizontal. This is the ground floor, horizontal. This is the wall. Why this is the wall? The ladder. The ladder. And we're told from the question the ladder was 6 meters, while the length of the wall is unknown. All right, the angle formed from the horizontal right here is of 80 degrees. Okay, now this is what we have here. So the question says, find correct to one decimal place. First one, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Distance from the foot of the ladder from the wall. So we are calculating for this down floor right here. So let's call it, calculating for this down floor right here. Let's call it X. So we are looking for what? X. All right. We have an angle. We have a what? A side right here. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. This is 90 degrees. Now, this is the what? The adjacent, where the given angle and angle 90 lies on is the adjacent. While this line right here, the hypotenuse, which is the longest line, while right here from here to here, this length, the length right here from here to here, which is the height, is called the what? The opposite. So we are looking for the what? Adjacent side. Now remember the trig, sine, cos, and tan. Okay, those are the trig function. In summary, we call them so, ka, twa. We are looking for the adjacent, which and when we have what? Just the hypotenuse and given angle. Which trig function doing that contains what? the adjacent, and the hypotenuse. Which trig function is what? Cos. This one, it contains what? The adjacent and the hypotenuse. We are looking for the adjacent, we are given the hypotenuse. So therefore we use cos. So for A, cos theta is equals to what? The adjacent. The adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. So this is what? Cos theta is what? 80 degree. The adjacent is what? X all over what? The hypotenuse, which is 6. So that is, we are looking for what? X. We do what? Cross multiply. We have what? X equals to 6 cos 6 cos what? 80 degree. So X is equals to 6 times cos 80 degree is 0.1736. So X is equals to 6 times 0.1736 is what? 1.0416 meter. So this is the value for what? X, the adjacent. That is the distance. Okay, but you see, it's find correct to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place, X will be equals to 1.0 in what? Meter. Because if you round this off, this is 4. So this cannot be approximated to this right here. Because right here, the next number is what? 4. So you round it to what? 0. So the answer is what? 1.0 meter. To what? 1 decimal place. Okay, so we look for what? B. Now, what does B says? It says the height above the ground at which the upper ends of the ladder touches the wall. So we are looking for the height above the ground, probably the upper end. So that means we are looking for the height of this what? Triangle. The upper ends of the ladder touches the wall. That is, we are looking for the what? The opposites. And then we'll call here, let's call it Y. We are looking for the opposites. We have the what? The hypotenuse. Which trig function have opposite and hypotenuse? Is the what? Sine. So we use sine. Therefore, sine theta equals to what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So this is what? Sine theta. Theta is what? 80 degree. Equals to opposite is what? Y. Hypotenuse is what? 6. So therefore, we are looking for Y. We cross multiply. Y is equals to what? 6 sine 80 degree. Y is equals to 6 times sine 80 degree will be 0.9848. So therefore, Y will be equals to, and this is going to give us 5.9088 meter. All right, this is the word answer. To 1 decimal place, Y will be 5.9 meter to 1 decimal place. Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this episode. Please make sure you take note of this angles of elevation and depression, and you can pause the video and get the questions and practice on your own. Thank you and God bless you. I remain your favorite tutor. Please subscribe to the channel.